Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's almost 11 a.m. and it's 44 degrees out and the sky is blue. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty decent day. A slight breeze just picked up and it is cold. It was better when I was standing up by the house. It was down there watering the animals. That's nice of him. The dogs are running. Harold is trying to hurt himself. I don't know if you can see this in the camera, but it's snowing. Huh, that was not in the forecast. Anyway, I was trying to get this plate off so I can get it welded. My welder here is not big enough, so I got a friend I'm going to take it to and see if he can't fix it for me. Well, it's now turned into hell. Really weird weather. Well, there goes an eyesore. My son Doc left it here after he took parts off. I took the top of it off to help him repair the white Jeep that Doc rolled over. Alright, going down to feed the pigs. I got some apple cores and peelings for them. Pigs like apples. Now she's got a 2x4. Okay, guys, I'll give you some hay first. Here, Harold throwing a fit. Well, she got a mouse. At least she thought she did. We stop eating the fence. Hang on. Hang on, Harold. Where you at? There you are. I got you some hay for you. Harold, that's enough. Here we got 10 eggs today. I can't hear. We have 10 eggs today. Harold, you are a brat. We'll get grain in a minute. I got some apple core stuff for you. Hang on. Yeah, it's noisy. Anyway, there's 10 eggs. I'm happy. Of course, the ducks, well, they stopped laying. You better hurry up, ducks, or I'll let you loose. Oh, look at all the happy pigs over here. I'm going to start kicking them out here in a minute. Okay, I got some good apple stuff here for them. I'm going to spread it out among them. All right, look at this. There. Nice spaghetti. That brings Harold some. Outside pig's got most of it. A couple cores in there. And then give the rest to Harold. Harold, look at this. Harold, look at that. Something wrong with that puppy. Everybody's fed. They're happy. Need a pig? Let me know. These piglets here need a new home. Make it a good deal. Trade you for something. Yeah, it's a little cold out here with that wind blowing. Well, it's 6 p.m. It's been a pretty good day, other than the hell and the wind. But that didn't last too long. The goats enjoy themselves outside. Of course, they want a bottle, but they need to eat more alfalfa. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.